Hello, Boomergurl here with video number 16, replacing the electrical outlets. Hi, it's Boomergurl. I'm going to change some electrical outlets now. I'm not an electrician, but my advisor tells me this is perfectly safe as long as we turn off all the power. So I have gone downstairs and turned off the power to the electrical outlets, and I'm going to exchange them. These are the ones I have to change. This is the one I'm changing right now. And these are really old, so I have a red wire on the right side and two white wires on the left side. And then the new one, I have two screws on one side, two screws on the other side. So I'm going to put the white ones on one side and the red one on the other side. This is not a ground outlet, so it doesn't have the green for ground. That's the copper wire, so you don't electrocute yourself by water. And so that would be more appropriate for the kitchen. All right, this one has two wires. One's black and one's white. So then the white one is the cool one and the black one is the hot one, and there's no ground. So on the left is the three-way switch and on the right is the single switch. I'm going to unscrew them and bring them out, and I'll show you what I mean. I'm finishing up my electrical project. I got my three-way switch to do, and I discovered that with my two single switches, I put the wires on backwards because the new ones are different than the old ones, and no one told me which ones to do, so I just made a guessed wrong, so I have to do it again. So I've turned off all of the power, and I'm about to change the switches. Oh yeah, these insulation outlet foam covers are great to save on your heating bill for any outside exterior wall. Highly recommend. And there you have it. There's that one and this one. See, even girls can do it. So I hope you like this video, and please like, share, follow, or subscribe. And I will be back with video number 17 and reupholstering the dining room chairs.